Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You know, when we look out at the universe, we see the laws of physics on a grand cosmic scale. But those same laws are at work right here on Earth, driving the technologies we rely on every day. And behind those technologies, brilliant engineers pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Today, we're diving deep into the world of mechanical engineering, specifically the journals where the most groundbreaking research is published. These aren't your average periodicals, folks. We're talking about Web of Science indexed journals boasting high impact factors. These are the heavy hitters. We're talking UGC CARE approved, Scopus indexed, the best of the best, meticulously ranked by their Scopus SJR score. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey through the cutting edge of mechanical engineering, exploring the journals shaping the future of the field. First up, we've got Advanced Materials, published by Wiley-Blackwell, a name synonymous with scientific rigor. With an SJR score of 9.538, it's clear that this journal isn't messing around. We're talking about the forefront of materials science, nanomaterials, biomaterials, smart materials, the building blocks of tomorrow's technologies. Think about it. Lighter, stronger materials for aerospace, self-healing materials for infrastructure, even biocompatible materials for life-saving medical devices. Advanced materials is where the future is being written, one atom at a time. Next, we're plugging into Electrochemical Energy Reviews, published by Springer with an SJR score of 8.905. In a world grappling with climate change, the quest for clean, efficient energy has never been more urgent. This journal is at the forefront of that quest, diving deep into the world of batteries, fuel cells, and supercapacitors. Imagine a world powered by electric vehicles that charge in minutes, homes running on energy stored from renewable sources, and a future free from the constraints of fossil fuels. That's the promise of electrochemical energy, and this journal is where those breakthroughs are showcased. Now we're entering the prestigious realm of nature chemistry, a journal that needs no introduction. With an SJR score of 8.14, it's a powerhouse of chemical research, and its impact on mechanical engineering cannot be overstated. After all, understanding the fundamental properties of matter is crucial for designing and building everything from microfluidic devices to advanced composites. Think about it, designing new catalysts for cleaner industrial processes, developing innovative methods for carbon capture, or even creating entirely new materials with tailored properties. It all starts with chemistry. Chapter 4. Let's shed some light on ACS Energy Letters, published by the American Chemical Society. Boasting an SJR score of 7.855, this journal focuses on high-impact research in energy science, a field inseparable from mechanical engineering, from solar cells to thermoelectrics, from energy storage to energy efficiency. This journal is a beacon, illuminating the path towards a sustainable future. We're talking about breakthroughs in energy harvesting, advancements in energy conversion technologies, and innovative approaches to reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. ACS Energy Letters is where the brightest minds in energy research come together to tackle one of humanity's greatest challenges. Chapter 5. Now let's tune into the IEEE Journal on Selected Areas in Communications, a publication from the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. With an SJR score of 7.656, this journal is at the forefront of communications technology, a field that's becoming increasingly intertwined with mechanical engineering. Think about the intricate design of smartphones, the complex networks of satellites orbiting our planet, or the development of the tactile internet. All of these innovations require a seamless blend of mechanical and electrical engineering. This journal is where those boundaries are blurred and new possibilities emerge. Chapter 6. Up next, we have Materials, Science and Engineering RR, reports an Elsevier journal with an SJR score of 6.842. This publication focuses on comprehensive reviews in, you guessed it, materials, science and engineering. It's like a masterclass in the very foundations of engineering innovation. Imagine having access to the latest insights on everything from the mechanical behavior of metals to the development of advanced ceramics. This journal provides a deep dive into the ever-evolving world of materials, offering a valuable resource for researchers and engineers alike. Chapter 7, Chem exploring the elements of innovation. Now let's delve into the world of Chem, another Elsevier publication with an SJR score of 6.8. This journal casts a wide net covering a vast array of topics in chemistry. Why is that relevant to mechanical engineers? Because chemistry is at the heart of material science, energy production, and even manufacturing processes. From understanding the properties of polymers to developing new methods for synthesizing materials, chemistry plays an indispensable role in advancing mechanical engineering. Chem provides a platform for cutting-edge research that pushes the boundaries of what's possible at the molecular level. Chapter 8. Nature Biomedical Engineering. Engineering a healthier future. Get ready to be amazed by Nature Biomedical Engineering, a journal with an SJR score of 6.625, published by the renowned Nature Publishing Group. This publication sits at the intersection of engineering and medicine, showcasing groundbreaking research in areas like medical devices, tissue engineering, and drug delivery systems. Imagine a world where prosthetic limbs function with the same dexterity as natural ones, where damaged organs can be repaired or replaced using engineered tissues, and where drug delivery systems target diseases with pinpoint accuracy. That's the incredible potential of biomedical engineering, and this journal is where those innovations come to life. Chapter 9, i.e. Wireless Communications. Unleashing the power of wireless connectivity. Let's connect with IEE Wireless Communications, an IEE journal boasting an SJR score of 6.556. This publication dives headfirst into the world of wireless communication, a field that's rapidly changing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. For mechanical engineers, this translates into exciting opportunities in areas like robotics, automation, and the development of smart infrastructure. Imagine a world where robots work alongside humans seamlessly, where self-driving cars navigate our roads with precision, and where buildings adapt to our needs in real time. Wireless communication is the backbone of these technologies, and this journal is where the latest advancements are unveiled. Chapter 10, Science Robotics, Designing the Future of Robotics and Automation. Finally, we arrive at Science Robotics, a journal published by the esteemed American Association for the Advancement of Science with an SJR score of 6.479. As the name suggests, this publication is dedicated to cutting-edge research in the field of robotics, a field that's poised to revolutionize countless industries, from manufacturing to healthcare to exploration. Think about robots capable of performing delicate surgical procedures, exploring the depths of the ocean, or even assisting with disaster relief efforts. Science Robotics is where the future of robotics is being written, and it's a future filled with possibilities. So there you have it, folks, our list of the top mechanical engineering journals that should be on your radar. These publications represent the vanguard of innovation in a field that shapes our world in profound ways. Whether you're a seasoned engineer, an aspiring student, or simply someone with a thirst for knowledge, I encourage you to delve into the pages of these journals and explore the incredible advancements happening right now. Remember, the universe of knowledge is vast and constantly expanding, much like our own universe. So stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more exciting content, and share this knowledge with your fellow explorers. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars.